Before getting into details, let's see a movie scene how EMP attack works. All major economy possess this kind of weapons. Do India have such a weapon? Kali, Kiloampere Linear Injector, is a linear electron accelerator developed in India by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and Baba Atomic Research Center BARC. It is a directed energy weapon designed to work in such a way that if an enemy missile is launched towards India, it will quickly emit powerful pulses of relativistic electron beam and destroys the target. Experts points out that it can be potentially be used as a beam weapon. A burst of microwaves packed with gigawatts of power produced by this machine when aimed at enemy missile and aircraft will destroy or damage their electronic system and computer chips and bring them down right away. This weapon will not kill humans, it only destroys electronic machines or electronic weapons. Kali is India's answer to any uninvited incoming enemy satellites, UAVs, missiles and aircrafts. The Kali project was planned in 1985 and the work on the project began in 1989, being developed by BARC and DRDO. It was initially developed for industrial applications, later decided for defense applications purpose. The first accelerator Kali 80 had a power of 0.4 gigawatt which increased as later versions were developed. Available Kali systems are Kali 80, Kali 200, Kali 1000, Kali 5000 and Kali 10,000 is in progress. The Kali 5000 was commissioned for use in late 2004. EMP devices in India, they are single shot devices using water filled capacitors to build the charge energy. The discharge is in the range of gigawatts. Initially starting with 0.4 gigawatt power, present accelerators are able to reach 40 gigawatt. Pulse time is about 60 nanosecond. The present Kali weapon is Kali 5000 which is commissioned in 2004. The microwave radiations emitted by the Kali 5000 are in the range 3 to 5 GHz. Kali 5000 system is designed to produce electron pulses of about 100 nanosecond with an energy of about 1 microelectron, current 40 kiloampere and a power of 40 gigawatt. The X-rays emitted are being used in ballistic research as an illuminator for ultra high speed photography by the Terminal Ballistic Research Institute because these X-rays emitted can capture very high speed moving objects with precision. Microwave emissions are used for EM research, and the microwave producing versions of Kali has also been used by the DRDO scientists for testing the vulnerability of the electronic systems of the India's indigenously developed light combat aircraft, that is Tejas, which was then underdeveloped. This is not only used in a light combat aircraft to check the vulnerability of the electronic system. It can be used in all electronic machines to check the vulnerability, or you can say damage control, to check the functionality of the circuit boards, whether it is working properly as expected. In the defense field, it has helped in designing electrostatic shields to harden aircraft and missiles from microwave attack by the enemy, as well as protecting satellites against deadly electromagnetic impulses which can destroy circuit chips. What it does, it creates an electromagnetic shield around aircrafts and missiles. When enemy attacks from EMP strikes, this will prevent electronic chips or circuit boards getting damaged inside our aircrafts and missiles. This will also protect satellites from deadly electromagnetic impulses which can destroy circuit chips. Kali could be deployed as a high-power microwave gun which could destroy incoming missiles and aircrafts through the soft kill approach. This will target a specific aircraft or missiles through linear injector. India recently deployed its low EMP accelerator in the POK border. to counter drones which trespasses from Pakistan. It can also be integrated with powerful radar systems that will track enemy missiles and aircrafts from far distances. India maintained secrecy on the usage of these as weapon.